So this is what happens when you buy a property that has tenants inside. C-class tenants, B-class tenants, actually A2, but A-class tenants don't do it as much as B, C, and definitely D. They're gonna say that they paid the old property management. It's a given. They're gonna say that. So what I like to do is when you get a property that has a tenant inside, I'll say, okay, the only thing is sometimes the property management is not cooperative because they're losing the account. So my suggestion to you would be to save this guy some peace, is contact the property management and say, hey, we're buying this portfolio and we were told that you guys were no longer there. Are you guys still interested in managing? You act like you don't have a management. So then they still think that they're available. And tell this guy, you know what? Just to make peace, we're going to tell them we don't want them to do any problems. And the ideal place would be for the property management, and I can show up or somebody can show up and say, hey, this is how much you owe, and show the statement. So then they don't come back and say, oh, well, I pay the old property management. Happens every time.